Hello YouTubers, I'm Parwiz and this is our 28th video in Learn Django 2.1. In this video we're going to create an example of one-to-one relationship. For defining one-to-one relationship we can use one-to-one field. So let me just give you a simple example. For example, you are going to create a model at name of place. So obviously place will have a name, address and some more information. And on the other hand, also you are going to create another database model for the restaurant on the top of the place. So for the restaurant also we need name and address and some other information. And instead of repeating the fields on our models, we can make restaurant to have one-to-one field to place. So by simple we can call it a model inheritance. So let me just create two models in here and I will show you that what I mean. So first I'm going to create a model, so class place, and it inherit, and we can call it inherits from models dot model. Okay, and our place model we can give it a name, so models dot car field, and the max length is 30. Also we have another address, models dot car field, and the max length is 30. So let me just define the str in here and return self dot name. This is our first model. Let me create another model, class restaurant models dot model. So now we can create a place and we can create one-to-one field relationships, models dot one-to-one field, and we can add our relationship in here, so place, and on delete models dot cascade. Also we can give a primary key to true, so primary key to true. Okay, now also we are going to give for this our restaurant some more fields. For example, I want to add serves hot dogs, and models dot, it should be a boolean field, and the default value is false. Okay, now serves underscore pizza models dot boolean field, and the default value is false. Let me copy this just and paste it in here. So self dot place dot name, we are going to return the place dot name. So now this is our two models. Let me create these, close my session, and I want a new session. Okay, cd my project and python manage.py make migrations, and after this python manage.py migrate. Okay, now let me just open my admin panel. So I want to add these to my admin panel. First one is place and also restaurant, and you can just copy this. And this is for the place, and this is for the restaurant. Now let me refresh it and check my database, my admin panel. So okay, now we have our place and we have restaurant. So now first I'm going to create, let me open my terminal. So first I'm going to create some places in here, and let me just new session, cd my project, python manage.py shell, I want Django shell. From my app dot models import, first one was place, and also we have restaurant. Okay, now place one, place, the name I want to give, for example, ABC place name, and the address ABC place address, p1.save, p2 place name, xyz place name, and the address xyz place address, p2.save. Okay, now if I check my Django admin panel, you will see that I have two places like this. Now I want to create a restaurant. Let me open my Django shell. So R restaurant, and for the place I want to, for example, give my place one, so like this, and serves underscore hot underscore dogs, I make it true because it is boolean field, and serves underscore pizza I want to make it false. Name restaurant is not, oh sorry, I made a mistake in the restaurant, so let me just this is like rest let me just check my model. It is like this, restaurant. Okay, hit enter, and r.save. Now if you check your restaurant, open your restaurant, you can see now we have our place, place ABC place name, because we have added the first place to our restaurant, and this is ABC place name, and you can see that serve hot dog is to true. Now also you can do some access to the fields. For example, if you want to access to the place of restaurant, you can do, for example, r.place. You can see it's EBC place name, and also a place can access to the restaurant if it is available. So you can simply p1.restaurant. Okay, you can see EBC place name. So like this you can do more. If you check Django documentation, there are a lot of things in one-to-one field. You can watch them. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.